blind men see. Can you take me higher to the place with golden streets? Can you take me higher to the place where blind men see? Can you take me higher to the place with golden streets?
Alam niyo ba, regalo kayo ng Diyos sa isa't isa. Ingatan niyo ang regalo ng Diyos sa inyo. Okay? Alam ng Diyos, kayo ang the best for each other.
From the moment we locked
Tanda ko pa na hindi mo pa ako type nun kasi ang sexy-sexy mo pa nun. Tapos ako, ang macho-macho ko pa. So, but kidding aside, we get past our insecurities dahil alam kong mahal kita at mahal mo ako.
I promise to be your strength, especially sa mga panahong pagod or nahihirapan ka na. Or pag may sumapak sa'yo, tawagin mo ko, tingnan natin kung papalag ba sila. Joke lang. Pinili mong samahan ako sa bawat tawa, bawat lungkot, pagpatak ng luha. Pinili mong intindihin ako sa mga panahong gulong-gulo na yung isip ko.
Oh, yes. Congrats sa akin.
we found the gold beneath in rivers deep.
Hi, love. Konting oras na lang hihintayin natin for the exciting part. Take this gift as a sign of my love, na I'll be with you, supporting you with every step that you'll make. I'll be your partner for the rest of your life.
Hi, love. I know you love music so much, so may this gift brings you joy in your music career. Ay! Sorry, magsisinger ba ako nito? P.S. Sana mahiram ko din yan para kantahan ka ng mga song covers ni Aljur.
I promise na kahit magkatampuhan tayo or mag-away, we will always come back to each other with love and humility.
We found what we've been looking for, from evergreens to golden shores. All that we could want is here and now.
Last but not the least, I promise to love you with all of my heart for the rest of my life. Kahit na pumuti pa yung buhok natin, mapalitan na ng pustiso yung mga ngipin natin, at hirap na tayong maglakad, mamahalin pa rin kita. I love you.
And I promise to be with you and love you with the same patience, kindness, and commitment na pinakita mo sa akin since day one. And now that we will go on the next chapter of our lives, love, I choose you. Sa bawat umaga, pagising natin, sa bawat challenge, and celebrations, and sa bawat bukas na ibibigay sa atin ng Panginoon. I love you so much.